ARK Invest's Cathie Wood taking on a greater role in the world of fintech by joining the board of TIFIN. It's a platform for wealth and asset management. Joining us now for an exclusive interview, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood and TIFIN CEO Vinay Nair. Thank you both for joining us, and congrats on this deal. Looking forward to talking about it. Cathie, I don't think of you as a private investor. We think of you for ETF management. So it was super interesting that you're investing and joining the board of this company. How did you choose Vinay and Magnify and TIFIN?
Well, when I first met Vinay, it was at an ETF conference where I was, or an ARK was, kind of a curiosity. It was in 2018, and nobody believed we would make it. Everybody was curious, how could an active manager work within an ETF wrapper? That's for passive. It's fully transparent. But Vinay believed that we were going to be successful and believed in our transparency, our active, our information flow. And he's run with that with the TIFIN companies, very focused on transparency and bringing in intelligent access to especially registered investment advisors and institutional investors. So we were intrigued with his business, or we have been intrigued. We've piloted some of his services and have been very satisfied with the result.
So Vinay, it brings us to you and what you're trying to build. Obviously, there's a lot of money going into fintech, not just from venture capital, but some of the biggest banks, JP Morgan, Visa, doing billion-dollar deals in the last few weeks. So I think of Magnify, your subsidiary, as a sort of Google for investments, but you're expanding into actually selling the investment products. Talk about what you're trying to build, what your vision is.
Yeah, thank you, Sarah, for having me here. Cathie, thanks for joining as well. And you're absolutely right. Look, fintech investment has gone from, VC investment in fintech has gone from $4 billion in 2016 to $8 billion in 2018 to $35 billion last quarter, just in fintech. But a lot of this activity has been largely focused on payments, lending, neobanking. And what's happening in the space of wealth and investments is still new and still nascent. So TIFIN, we think, is part of the solution. We are a platform that really builds fintech products for the world of investment and wealth management. And what we are really doing, Magnify, which is one of our subsidiaries, when we presented it here in August, we had a few 100,000 users, which the number of searches on our platform has exceeded 10 million last year, which is clearly telling us that the marketplace needs a simpler, easier, more natural way to discover, compare investments. And the next natural step for us was to enable action. How can you discover, compare, and then maybe invest, which is what we're doing now with our announcement of brokerage capabilities.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.